Hello students. So in this lecture again I will discuss another diagonal scale so that you can go through the statement, that is the distance between two stations is 100 kilometer and it is represented on a map by a line of 2.5 centimeter. Okay, draw a diagonal scale showing a single kilometer and then mark off the distances 409 kilometer and 573 kilometer on the scale. Again, first step is always to find out the representative fraction RF is equal to length of the object on the drawing sheet upon the actual length of the object, that is 2.5 centimeter upon 100 kilometer. So it is, you can convert these units into centimeters. Okay, centimeters gets cancelled, it comes out to be 1 upon 4 into 10 power 6. Then second step is to find out the LOS. LOS is again RF into maximum distance to be measured. Now here maximum distance is not given because the maximum distance of the scale is not given, but maximum distance to be measured is given, that is 573. So you have to take more than this, means you can take 600 or 700 like that. So you have, now here you can take minimum of 600. So 600 kilometers is the maximum distance into 1 upon 4 into 10 power 6, and then you can convert kilometers into centimeters here. Then you can find out the LOS as 15 centimeters. So LOS comes out to be 15 centimeter. Now step 3 is to draw the scale. Now here, so as per the LOS it comes out to be 15. So you draw a line 15 centimeter long. Okay, so I am going to draw a 15 centimeter long line. Okay. So this is 15 centimeter long line. So okay, so this is 15 centimeter long line. Okay, then next step is to divide this into 6 equal parts, because 600 is the distance, each part will be equal to 100 kilometers. Okay, so you can divide this into 6 equal parts. 15 centimeter upon 6, it is 2.5 each, 225 mm each, or 2.5 centimeter. Okay, so I am going to divide this into 6 equal parts simply by measuring 25 mm each. Okay, so this is divided into 6 equal parts. Okay, now again this is divided into 1 2 3 4 5 6 equal parts. Then you can take the height as 50 mm for the diagonal scale. You have to take the height as 50 mm, as diagonal scale is 50 mm long. In the height it is 50 mm. So I am drawing all the divisions here and raise it to 15 mm. Height is 15 mm. 50, sorry. 50. Okay, now this is divided into 6 equal parts, and you can join from the top. All this is continuous thick lines, all these are continuous thick lines so far. Now I will be using continuous thin now. Now first subdivision is to be divided into 10 equal parts. So this is first subdivision. So I am going to divide this into 10 equal parts. So it is 25 mm. You can take, or okay. So this can be divided by using acute angle line method. I will be using acute angle line. So you can draw any acute angle line here, and then you can simply use the compass, or maybe you can take the similar distances, say 5 mm each here, maybe 10 mm, any distance, but it should be same throughout. So it should be now 10 equal parts, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, then 5 6 7 8, 9 and 10. I am taking any suitable distance, that is, but it should be equals throughout. Okay, otherwise you can use a compass. Now you can join this first here division with this line. Okay, then you can draw the parallel lines throughout. This is known as acute angle line method. Always continuous thin lines. Always draw continuous thin. Now if you join it like this, you can divide this into, now this is all divided into 10 equal parts. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now again you can draw another acute angle here, because this vertical edge is to be divided further into 10 equal parts. Now you can take it as again same method. You can divide this into 10 equal parts by using a compass or simply a scale. I am taking here 5 mm each. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Otherwise you don't require, because it is 50 mm, you can simply take 5 mm. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Okay, so that will save your time as well. But sometimes you may require this, because in this case it was required, but here you can take simply 5 mm each and draw the horizontal lines throughout. So I am drawing the horizontal lines. Horizontally it is divided into, this height is divided into 10 equal parts. Okay, now from here, now you have to join it diagonally here. You can do it like this. You have to join this first division with this edge like this, and then you have to join it with the parallel lines throughout. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, it is 7, 8, 9 and then 10. This is the 10th. Okay, now I am showing it to you. So this is divided into 10 equal parts. Now it is the scale is completed. You can erase this any unwanted things. You can erase it. So this is not required here. Some cases it may be required when the height is not taken as 50. So when you take it 50, now you have to measure. So you can first start the first division always 1, then this is 100, because all divisions are equal to 100 kilometers, 200, then 300, then 400, and then 500. All you have to write it as per standard. Okay, now this is kilometer scale. You can write it as kilometer. Okay, this is also kilometers. This is 10 kilometers. Each division is 10 kilometers. Okay, then this is also kilometers. This is single kilometer. Each division is single kilometer. So kilometers here and kilometers here. This is 100 kilometer. This one is, each division is 100 kilometers. Here on this side each division is 10 kilometers. So it is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So this is 50. You can write it 50 here. Then this is 100. Now you have to measure 409, 409 and 573. This is 409. This is, you can draw the extension line here. 4 and this is 0, and you can take it 9 from here. So this is 9. Okay, so this is 409. You can draw another extension line vertically and you can measure it like this. So this is 409. Four 0 9. Okay, kilometers, it is already written, no need to mention. We want to mention, you can. Okay, now this is 573. Now 573, you can draw the extension line from here, from 500, and then from 7 here it is 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. This is 50, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So this is 70, and then 73. 1, 2, 3 along this diagonal. Okay, so this is the point. Now you can draw the extension line from here, vertical extension line, and then you can draw the dimension line in between these two extension lines. Okay, so this is, now you can draw the arrowheads. So this is 573. 573 kilometers you want to mention, you can. Otherwise there is no need, because it is mentioned over here as well. Here it is mentioned. Okay, so otherwise you can also mention here as well. Okay, now you want to mention RF of the scale. RF of the scale, that is equal to 1/4 into 10⁶, and LOS has 15 centimeter. Okay, this is your diagonal scale. Okay, thank you.